Hey guys, welcome back to CSK Vlogs and hope you guys are doing good. I've got three things to speak to you, and first thing, let's unbox this Beardo. I've got two parcels in this. So this is empty car. So this I had got it yesterday itself, but security didn't give me. So let me start opening the first parcel. This way. So I've got 3 charcoal face wash and 1 growth oil, hair growth oil, and this is 50 ml. Price list and all I'll be mentioning, as well as I'll be saying. So 3, there was some offer running and have purchased. Beardo has not given me anything free of cost. So whatever you are seeing here, it's all that I have paid for this. Bad man, no. Good boy. So here is hair fall shampoo for men. No, just not for you. So this is a combo pack. I think 1 serum, 1 hair beard oil and 1 shampoo. This is 1 combo. This 3 I got like another combo, and that 3 I have got 1 more combo. So I'll just read out the price list for you. There was some fest running up, so I got it in this. So Beardo active face wash, it costed me all 3 somewhere around 299 rupees, and 3 serum, it costed me 499 rupees, and 1 Beardo hair fall control shampoo and serum 1, and 1 more is growth oil. This costed me somewhere around 698 rupees. So this 3, it's not mine, it's my brother's. So this is mine. These are my stuff. So I have to put this again into box and I have to give him back. So whatever you are seeing here of this Beardo brand, Beardo has not sponsored me anything. Whatever it is, I have purchased personally, and I do have a bill over here. I hope you people can see. So Beardo is a good product. So it's not that it was running up in an offer, so I purchased Beardo. Beardo I have used before. This charcoal, especially they had a combo package previously, so I wanted to try and I purchased. It is really good. So I prefer Beardo is a good brand. It's not that I'm sponsoring about this brand and all. And one more important thing is Beardo is made in India. Next topic is, I'll show you. I don't want to say to you. So now you would have got to know what I wanted to speak about, which topic. You people might be thinking that my channel has got monetized. No, it has not got monetized. Just look at this. I hope you people can see. I have crossed 2047 hours for today, and I have 373 subscribers till today, and I need somewhere around 627 subscribers and another 2000 hours itself. Rest 2000 hours are required because I need 4000 hours overall, so another 2000 hours. So I have crossed 50%. I'm feeling so damn happy that you people are supporting me so much, and it really means a lot for me. I have crossed 50% of my YouTube watch hours, and it really means a lot, guys. I was thinking when I started this channel, how come 4000 hours means 240,000 minutes I have to cross. How is that possible? I don't have subscribers and all, but when I started this channel, I do had like tough time when this lockdown and all happened. I didn't have contents. I needed to search for the contents, and I did this cooking videos and all, and I uploaded that videos itself because there was no restaurant, as you people know. Lockdown, of course, nothing will be open. When I started this channel, I was really scared that whether people might see your negative comments or about likes, dislikes, negative, positive, many things were coming up in my mind. But yes, finally the things are going smooth, I feel. And thanks a lot, guys. That's all I can say you people as of now. Guys, last and final topic is about FZ oil change, which I had used a Motol, and I had told in the video also that I'm using the oil for the first time. Guys, I don't at all recommend you people to use for FZ Motol 7100 10W40. Again I repeat, Motol 7100 10W40. This is not at all recommended for Yamaha FZ, because after using the oil I have got clutch bell sound and there is no mileage in the vehicle. Entirely vehicle pickup is like worst. Mileage, so don't ask me, guys. It's entirely dropped. Clutch bell engine sound is entirely rough. If you people need to hear the sound, next definitely I will be making a vlog about that vehicle service, which I'm gonna be doing in the showroom as soon as possible. Rest 300 kilometers is there. I'll drive off the 300 kilometers and I'll be leaving the vehicle in the showroom for the next service. Definitely you people will be knowing what all the issues are there in the vehicle. I'm not speaking something against the brand. I'm speaking whatever the fact is. I feel sometimes that I have used my own brain, that taking a Motol oil and doing service at house and vlogging about FZ. No, it was really a worst part, that whatever I did. Don't try to do that. If you're doing service in case at house, make sure that you get some showroom oil, Yamaha lube, 15W40 or whatever the things are there in the showroom. They recommend to put for the vehicle. Get that oil, do service at house. But don't get oil like whatever I did and I did at house. Maybe another 1 week I'll be leaving my FZ for service. Definitely when they are putting a job card on my vehicle, I'll make sure that what and all issues I'm gonna be facing and what are the main problem has come. He will definitely write in the job card. I'll make sure that I'll make a vlog on this and I will show you definitely. Anyhow guys, it's time to end my vlog. Bye, take care, be safe.